Where is Boo? Peekaboo. Where is Alex? Peekaboo. Where is Alex? Peekaboo. Where is Alex?
Where'd he go?
Where's Alex?
Where's Alex? Where did he go?
She is. Peekaboo.
So big.
Like she can talk a lot.
Happy Mother's Day, Mama.
Thank you.
It's Mother's Day and it's Alex's first birthday.
How about that?
How about that?
That's your line, Grandma.
Say it, Grandma. How about that?
There you go.
And happy first Mother's Day to Susie.
I'm not doing anything.